Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to add multiple sounds on TikTok. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open the TikTok app. Then go about simply recording a video or posting a specific video, so I'll just record a video. Once I do this, all I need to do is just tap the edit button from the top right-hand side of the screen to come to the editing page. Now here you can see the option called Sound. All I need to do, just tap the Add Song button, select the sound that I want to, and then tap the Use button. Now, if I want to add other sound, you can just tap the plus icon over here. Then add some other videos and sounds, or if you want to replace the sounds, all you need to do is just tap the Replace Sound button. And then you should be able to find some other sounds that you might want to use for this specific TikTok song. Then just tap the Use button again, and this is simply how you can actually add multiple sounds and use them on your TikTok account. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.